you to this session on artificial intelligence. Full course in this video, I'll be covering all the domains and the concepts involved under the umbrella of artificial intelligence, and I will also be showing you a couple of use cases and practical implementations by using Python. So there's a lot to cover in this session, and let me quickly run you through today's agenda. So we're going to begin the session by understanding the history of artificial intelligence and how it came into existence. We'll follow this by looking at why we are talking about artificial intelligence now. Why has it gotten so famous right now? Then we'll look at what exactly is artificial intelligence. We'll discuss the applications of artificial intelligence, after which we'll discuss the basics of AI, wherein we'll understand the different types of artificial intelligence. We'll follow this by understanding the different programming languages that can be used to study AI, and we'll understand why we're going to choose Python. Alright, I'll introduce you to Python, and then we'll move on and discuss machine learning. Here we'll discuss the different types of machine learning, the different algorithms involved in machine learning, which include classification algorithms, regression algorithms, clustering and association algorithms. To make you understand machine learning better, we'll run a couple of demos wherein we'll see how machine learning algorithms are used to solve real-world problems. After that, we'll discuss the limitations of machine learning and why deep learning is needed. I'll introduce you to the deep learning concepts. What are neurons, perceptrons, multiple layer perceptrons, and so on. We'll discuss the different types of neural networks, and we'll also look at what exactly backpropagation is. Apart from this, we'll be running a demo to understand deep learning in more depth. And finally, we'll move on to the next module, which is natural language processing. Under natural language processing, we'll try to understand what is text mining, the difference between text mining and NLP, what are the different terminologies in NLP. And we'll end the session by looking at a practical implementation of NLP using Python. Alright, so guys, there's a lot to cover in today's session. Also, if you want to stay updated about the recent technologies and would like to learn more about the trending technologies, make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel to never miss out on such sessions.